first oil I used was a pain relief one. Came across this store in an exhibition, and I had this very severe problem of my back not straightening when I used to get up in the morning. So one fine day I was in an exhibition, and I overheard a conversation that, herbal medicines are an alternative way and people do not go for it. So I went up and asked the founder of this oil, Mr. Behel, and he told me that, he asked me, do you have any problem? I said, yeah, I have a back problem and my back doesn't straighten up in the morning. So he said, okay, I'm giving you an oil, just try it for a week and then revert back to me. So I started using that, though he had recommended using it twice a day, but I started using only once. And when I used to get up in the morning, after 2-3 days, it just completely slipped my mind that I had a problem like that. After 2 days, my back was much better, and over a period of 10 days, it was like wonderful. I was as good as new. Then I came back to God's Own store and I took lots of oil. Like one of the oils which I took was Vif. Vif is an SOS when you start sneezing and you feel that you're coming up with cold. So I apply it and I do not catch cold because of that. And if I catch cold, I start using it and within a day I'm better. So usually when you use it, you have cold, your sinus points get blocked and you're not able to think and you have headaches. But even if I catch it and I start using Vif, my cold doesn't affect me. I work, as a daily routine, a normal day-to-day life. Then Vif I suggested, it works for sinus as well, and I suggested to a lot of my friends also, and this sinus got better. And they called back and thanked me that, we were so troubled with sinus problem for so many years, and this oil has cured us of the sinus problem. Then another oil which we're using at home is Sudarshan. And Sudarshan is like a strong antiviral, like usually when you have stomach infections or you're catching fever. Just apply it and the things do not aggravate. So it stops it there and then. Then another oil, one of the very good oils is Wounds. Another one is Scratchy. Wounds is that if you hurt yourself and you apply it, first of all the thing heals very fast, the wound heals very fast, and it doesn't leave any spot also. So which is actually for a female is very important because when you get hurt and those marks are left, so that is the most important thing that the marks should go away. So it works 2 in 1. Then another one is a Scratchy one. I was traveling internationally and I developed dandruff in my hair and the scalp was itching so badly I didn't know what to do. It was like I could take a knife and scratch my scalp. So I used the Scratchy. It was like a life-saving thing. I applied once and my itching just got better. So by the time I was out of India and to help me, I kept using Scratchy. There's so many good oils by God's Own store. Like I have approximately maybe 25 to 26 oils at home. I have an MSM which is for muscles, and if you ever stretch your muscle, usually what happens, and there's no medicine to cure that. So if you apply this MSM, I think within one application, your stretch muscle is 50% better. And after 2-3 application, you don't even realize that you had pulled a muscle. So there are other more oils which I'm using at home, I can't even name. So all I can say for God's Own store is, it's like a blessing in disguise. You don't have to take allopathic medicines. You have these oils at home, use them SOS, and you're all sorted.